everyone, welcome to my video. I will make a souffle today.
We need a deep bowl to make souffle. We broke 3 eggs into this bowl. And we add 2 tea glasses of sugar. We whisk the eggs and sugar until they become creamy. Then we add 1½ tea glasses of milk and 1½ tea glasses of oil. Then we add 3 tea glasses of flour and 3 spoons of cacao. We add 1 pack of baking powder and vanilla. And we mix it until it reaches a homogeneous consistency. We divide the whole mixture into heat-resistant containers. Chocolate can also be added. We take a pot and put the containers in it and put boiled water in the pot. And we are burning the steak. We leave it boil with the lid of the pot open for 3 minutes. We cook for 7 minutes. You can take the pot from the pot and serve.